Here's some basic footage of this 1975 Porsche. Now what I want to do is try to point out the imperfections on the vehicle. I don't want to misrepresent the vehicle at all, but it is a very nice car. A lot of eBayers try to make things better than they seem, but I want you to know just exactly what you're getting. Imperfection number one would just be a little tiny blemish spot right by these lights. Both of these lights do work and pop up. There's just a little paint chip here or two. And right by the Porsche emblem there's just a little bit of bubbling. There's just a little imperfection there. You can see it. A couple little scuffs around by the door handle, just a little bit of bubbling there. A slight dent here. I don't know if I can get the right light on it or not, but just a slight little dent there. Two ones that can be touched up right there, and all these cosmetic things again can be done and touched up. That's what the back of the emblem looks like there. Just a cool spot there, quick little rough spot there. And we've got a little bit of bubbling in the same spot there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but just a little bit of roughness there. One or two little bubbles there. But a guy with a little bit of paint knowledge can get through all that. We've got just a couple of rock chips here on the car. Just a little spot here by the hood. But other than that, the car on the outside is in fabulous shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. The interior of the vehicle is in very good shape. Door jambs are good. A couple little spots right around where the pit holes are there. But other than that, things look good. The seats are in very nice shape. There's 2 or 3 spots. One right there on the seat. One right there by the buckle. One right there. And right by the seat belt. There's one there. And other than that, the interior is very clean. There aren't any marks or anything outside of normal wear and tear. The radio, the glove box, very clean. There's an aftermarket radio someone probably did in the 80s. The whole air system that works. And we'll go around to the driver's side. Here's the driver's side. Again, same with the passenger side. Nothing minor, nothing major. Get another shot of that same tear right there on the seat, coming from the other way. As you can probably hear the sound of the keys being in the ignition are ever prevalent. All of our buttons do work. Our hazard lights work. And if I can catch it fast enough, we'll show you that the lights pop up. Well, when the vehicle's on, they do anyway. We'll take a look at the odometer there. Take a look at these here. The rear view mirror. We've got the engine compartment pretty clean for what it is. New battery. We'll have another video there if you don't see it of the car running and the engine performing. Shut that. Pop the trunk. Show you the top here. It's a little speck of bird dew. But the top is very, very nice. We've got one little scuff right there that can probably be painted over. But it looks very good. Underneath we have the carpet and even the spare tire underneath there, so the trunk, or the rear I should say, is very nice. We'll walk over to the front of the vehicle. Get the hood popped. Everything looks good. These Canon that flip the lights work very well. No problem with the lights. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to fire this thing up, and the idea is not to be visually stimulating here, but just to have you listen to the engine as I crank it up. Fires right up. I'll show you those headlights. They fire right up both, no problem. And you can have a listen to the engine here. Get out of the main drag here. I'm going to set the camera down and you can just listen. You can hopefully hear it climbs through the gears just wonderfully. Drives out like a very nice car. Stick is nice and there and loose. We've got one down and to the left, and we've got reverse up and to the left. Steps on the brakes, very nice.